In this video, I will show you how to dilate an image from a point that is not the origin. When we dilate from the origin, we simply multiply all of the coordinates by the scale factor, which in this case is 2. But we can't simply multiply by the scale factor if the center of dilation is not the origin. In this case, we are going to dilate from the point -3, 5, which is this red dot right here. The easiest way to do this is to make a fake x and y axis as we pretend that the point -3, 5 is the origin. So if this point was the origin, then this would be the x-axis and this would be the y-axis. So we're just going to pretend. And for the remainder of this problem, we're just going to keep pretending that this fake x and y axis is actually the real x and y axis. It's just that easy. So let's go ahead and name point A, B, and C, but we will absolutely ignore the original x and y axis. Instead, we will count from the green lines. So point A, for example, using the green lines, this is the point 0, -6. And I'm going to label this really clearly as being fake. These are fake coordinates, but it will still work, you'll see. How about point B? Fake B. From the green lines, point B is over 2 and down 3. So the fake coordinates are 2, -3. And how about point C? Again, counting from the green lines, point C is over 4 and down 7. So that's 4, -7. So these are the fake coordinates of the pre-image triangle ABC. Now we can perform the multiplication of the scale factor. So we are supposed to dilate by a scale factor of 2. So we will simply multiply all of these coordinates by 2. And this will give us the fake coordinates of the image. So A prime, well, again, let me be clear, fake A prime is going to be 0, -12. Fake B prime is 4, -6, just multiplying everything by 2. Fake C prime is 8, -14. So the last step is to go ahead and graph these points, but these are fake coordinates, so I'm going to continue using the fake x and y axis. So let's see. A prime is 0, -12. So using the green lines, 0, -12 would be right here. So this will be A prime. What about B prime? 4, -6. Counting from the green, if I go over 4 and down 6, that's going to be right here. So this is going to be my B prime. And point C is 8, -14, C prime. So again, counting from the green, if I go over 8, that's going to be right here. Now I have to go down 14. Okay, I was running out of space there. So I went over 8 and down 14. This is my C prime. And that's it. Time to connect the dots. Notice that the image is the same shape as the pre-image, but is twice as big. So that's basically it. That is how you dilate from a point that is not the origin. Let's practice that some more with a few more problems. All right, in each case, we're going to take this point, the center of dilation, and we will pretend that it is the origin. So this will be my fake x-axis, and here comes my fake y-axis. So even though all of the coordinates that we use for the rest of this problem will be fake coordinates, the image will be in the correct place. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to label this really clearly as fake coordinates. So here comes fake point A, would be 1, 1. All right, fake B is going to be 3, 4. And fake C is going to be 5. Is that 5? Yes, 5, 0. All right. Now let's go ahead and find the fake image coordinates. The scale factor is 2. So once again, we will be multiplying everything by 2. All right, still fake. So A prime will be 2, 2. And B prime will be 6, 8. All right, I'm just multiplying everything by 2. And C prime will be 10, 0. These are fake coordinates. I labeled it that way just to remind me to stick to the green lines. So here comes 2, 2. Will be right here using the fake x and y axis. So anyway, this is my A prime. Fake B prime, 6, 8. So counting from here, all right, so here's 6, and here comes 8. So this will be B prime. And now 10, 0. So counting from here, all right, that's 4 so far, and another 6 makes 10. So this will be C prime. So you can basically see the shape of the answer, but let's connect the dots. All right, again, we are dealing with a scale factor of 2, and you'll notice that the image is twice the size of the pre-image. Let's do 2 more examples. Okay, same idea. Let's go ahead and draw the fake x-axis and y-axis. So here is our fake x-axis, and here is our fake y-axis. All right, let's record the fake pre-image coordinates. I didn't mean to call it A prime. This is the pre-image, not the image. So fake A. Let's count carefully. So this is left, okay, that's 2, 4, 5. So this is -5. And then, okay, 5, 6. So -5, -6. All right, how about fake B? All right, this will be a little bit easier to count. This is left 3 and down 3. So this is -3, comma, -3. All right, now for fake point C. Let's see, it's left 1 and down 7. So -1, comma, 7. All right, time to do the fake image. So are we still doing a scale factor of 2? Yes. So that means we are still going to simply multiply everything by 2. This is still fake, people. All right, fake A prime will be -10, -12. Fake B prime, -6, -6. Fake C prime, -2, +14. Is this positive? Wait, that should be -7. I knew that was about to be wrong. Point C was left 1 and down 7, so this was -7. Okay, that makes more sense. So -2, -14. All right, let's plot these points and see what we've got. So -2, -10, -12. We're calling these fake to remind us to use the green lines. So here we go. -10 from here is going to be here. And then -12, okay, is going to be here. So this will be A prime. Okay. Fake B prime is -6, -6. So counting from here, all right, so there's -6 and -6. So that's going to be right here. So this is B prime. And C prime, well, fake C prime, -2, -14. So -2 will be right on this dark line. And then now I just have to go down 14. Okay. Okay, I lost count. Okay, yeah. So this will be C prime. Aw, man, I wanted that to be red. Okay, there it is. Notice that this image is twice as big as the pre-image. You might even notice that it's sort of radiating out from the point 2, 4. All right, let's do one more example. Okay, this one has a scale factor of 1/2. So we should expect the image to be half the size of the pre-image. But our technique will be exactly the same. We will begin by creating a fake x-axis and a fake y-axis. So let's write down some fake coordinates, shall we? First, let's label so we will never forget that these are fake coordinates. All right, let's start with fake A. All right, I don't like it when the points are so far away. It's harder to count. Okay, so the entire graph here is 10. So this is 10, 14. So A is at negative 14. All right, now as far as how far up it is, it's going to be up 3, 6. So negative 14, comma 6. So there's fake A. How about fake B? Okay, point B is, all right, it's 6 and then an extra 4, so that's a total of 10. So point B is left 10 if counting from the green line. And okay, let's see how far up this guy is. It is 9 units above the black line, and then an extra 3 units for a total of 12. All right, so there's fake B. How about fake C? All right, so fake C is left 6 and up 4. Left 6 and up 4. So those are my fake coordinates. Now we just have to multiply by the scale factor. Remember that the scale factor is 1/2. So I'm going to multiply all of this by 1/2. Multiplying by 1/2 is the same thing as dividing by 2. That's why my fake, let's label it, my fake A prime will be negative 7, comma 3. And fake B prime will be negative 5, comma 6. And fake C prime will be negative 3, comma 2. I just took half of everything. So let's graph them. Negative 7, comma 3 from here. Okay, so that's negative 4, it's negative 7, and then up 3 would be right here. So this will be A prime. Negative 5, comma 6. So here we go. There's negative 5, and here is 6. So this is B prime. And finally, C prime, well, fake C prime is negative 3, comma 2. So from here, I'm going to go left 3 and up 2. So this will be C prime. Okay, let's connect the dots and see what we've got. That rhymed. All right, so boom, boom, boom. Notice that the image is half the size of the pre-image as expected. So that's it, guys. That is how you dilate from a point that is not the origin.